Hello guys, I start to clean my crystals and I remember that I can show you how I clean my crystals. So here's a salt crystal for cleaning crystals. Here you go. And I take one of these balls and put in, just need to put water. And here you go. This is all my crystals, bigger one. And then I have little ones. And I clean them all on the same way that I know, that I learned through the years. So I put this Himalayan salt in water. And I put all my crystals in water and I leave them for maybe 2-3 hours because this salt is here, see? This salt need to melt down and then I can find it here, but maybe here is already, oh no, it is here. So I wait to this salt to melt down totally. Then I take my crystals out and dry them on wooden board. Then I will show you which crystals I have. Everything is clean, I think, so I will put everything on this board. And first I want to show you this one because this one have function. That is rose quartz. It is a little bit damaged here, but I love it so much because it is a candle holder and it is so heavy. I bought it in one second-hand store and that's why it's not cost too much, because they probably didn't know what they have. Then these ones, I keep them in this vase because they are decorative, and that was stones for water. You put this, some of that stones in the water and you have some affirmation, and after that you drink this water. Here are some rose quartz, quartz jaspis. This red one, this is the amethyst, sodalite, aventurine, this green one. And now it's one thing I like to do, and that is this cute vase, and I put some sand in, decorative sand, and this stone I found on in the field somewhere, so I like to put it here. And then I have this little fish, because I'm fish in astrology, like Pisces. This little fish also from stone make, and I put it here. And then I have these little things which I order over internet, and this one. So see how they have something in it. So I put this like here and here, and then I have two of these little clusters and I put them also here and here. And then I have this, and that is some desert rose, I think. So I put these all things together, and that is my display. And now first I wanted to show you where I'm keeping all my crystals. Not all, but usually I keep them here on this bamboo plate and surrounding these candles. And I will put this on the side. Look at this, how beautiful. So this is, I don't know what is this. And also I have this one because I think it's agate, this one. On one page where they are selling used things. Then I have, I think this one is the biggest one I have, fluorite rough, and these roughs I put it on my display. This is blue calcite. I have here I found some light. I wanted to show you, will you see through it or not, but this light is so, I don't know, it's not working properly. Big aventurine, also rough. Then I have, this is my stone because I'm Pisces, so this is aquamarine, also rough. And aquamarine can be green or blue. Then I have this one, and this one is labradorite. Here is rough, and on this side is polished. Then I have a polished labradorite, and I really love them. Look at this shimmer. And this is celestite, so beautiful, and I love it. Then I have, of course, many of this regular quartz stone, and I have many of these here, like in a rough form. And then I have in some shape this, also this quartz stones, this jaspis, how do you call it? Then I have this, look at this, how beautiful. And that is the apatite, I think it's called like this, apatite. Then I have this one, and that is amethyst, and that means that amethyst and citrine are fused together, because citrine is amethyst, but when it's on the very high temperature they become yellowish. So here it is amethyst. Of course, this sodalite, and here you go, in rough form, and that is pink tourmaline rough. It's called zebra skirt because of these lines. Then I have this, and that is epidolite or epidot rough, in rough form. Look how cute little pinks here, and how shiny and beautiful it is. So then I have this fluorite, but tumbled, beautiful fluorite. Then I have this rose quartz, and usually I put it on this little stand, or this little stand. And I have this one, but I'm not sure. I think it's aragonite. So they stand here. Then I have this, I don't know what is this. I ordered amber, but it came this, and I don't know is this glass or it is not amber. I know how amber looks. and it is not so heavy. Amber is light weight. Then these two, I bought it in one second hand. I think they are jaspis, both of them. I have this like in this pyramid shape, and that is obsidian. Then I have this beautiful cluster of amethyst. I have this amethyst. Then I have this pink quartz. Then I have this little egg, and that is striped agate. And then I have tiger's eye. I mean, this is with amethyst. This is most known stone from these beautiful stones. I also have this tiger's eye. Then I have this one, and I really love this one. This is so beautiful to me because of this sapphire, beautiful stone. This little cluster, and that is argonite, so cute. Then I have this one, and that is emerald, but in some rough form. Then I have this one. I really love this one. This is one of my favorites, jade. Then I have this citrine. Then I have this orange calcite, and that is sunstone. And I have this in this rough and in this tumbled shape. Then I have this cutie. I really love this, and that is Moakit jaspis, and this one is called flintstone, and I couldn't resist to buy it because flintstones. This one is moose agate, beautiful stone. Carnelian rough, in rough shape, and I have carnelian in this shape, and I think this is also carnelian, but I'm not sure. And then is this tangled agate, smoky quartz, smoke quartz, and I'm not sure what is this. Maybe it's this blue and white sodalite, and maybe this is moss agate because I can find it. Then I have this one. This is very interesting stone because this one is called Turritella. And then I have this Dalmatian jasper, very cute. And this Dalmatian jasper, of course, in rough form. This one is called the snowflake obsidian because it have this little like snowflakes. This is malachite, and this one is called sandstone, I think because of this little sparkles. This is like a little Buddha. And I also ordered this one, but this is just plastic, and I sold this like it is how did I call it? Jade. This is not jade, this is super light plastic. And then I have this little turtle. I think it's so cute, but I wanted to wear this necklace, but I didn't know that this is so big, so I'm never wearing. I just keeping this like decoration, and also with this elephant. This is moonstone, but I didn't know it is so big. It is chunky. I don't like chunky necklaces. And then this little hour in aventurine, I think, and I love this, but I don't have a silver necklace, so I'm not wearing yet. Then is this little beautiful chalcedon. I also have this chloride, and I have this this holite. This I forgot how is that called. And I also have this black gold stone, and these ones are chakra stones. So I like to put them like this on this little display. And that is that for my stones. I hope you enjoyed, people. Thank you so very much for watching. I didn't know, yes, and I have this, so how is that called? Warrior stone, where you keep this like this. But this, you bring it to pocket in your pocket, and when you bury, then you rub it like this. It was a very beautiful story about this stone, but I will not tell you this story now because I don't know is it true. I just read it in this book, and if you don't like to read or you can't read, you have also like a documentary movie, and it is called The Secret. It is very good thing, so read it if you didn't, but I think everyone read it or watch the movie now. So that is that for my stones, for my crystals. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Give thumbs up, please. Comment something down below. Subscribe if you're not already. And see you in the next one.